his mood doesn't improve when another car wreck arrives.
Let's go. You gotta get that one off the tow truck.
Lorenzo, is he gonna back up? Yes, come in here, let's open up the front trip place up at this one over there.
It's on the tow truck he needs to get the Boxster out. The new arrival? PAF, a 1992 911.
Actually, it's less than half a car.
It just returned from Mexico, where the rear end was sold for use on another car.
Clear.
For shop owner Todd DeCarmen, even this car has salvageable parts. The tow truck's free, so the team can finally get the Boxster out of the lot and to a nearby crusher for recycling.
Ari. That's it.
Where's the tow truck? Where's the tow truck? You're clear, Sam.
Stop. Go there, stop. Sometimes happen like this, dangerous. You need to be careful.
Thankfully, only the Boxster was damaged in the fall. Not that anyone can tell.
Believe it or not, that used to be a $60,000 car at one point. A $60,000 car.
Boxster is. No more, that's it. Finish.
That's going to be only worth about $100 worth of metal. That's it.
Done.
And plus another $100 worth of aluminum, another $100 worth of copper.
$30, the $30 the gas.
Yeah, $2 worth of gas.
Back in the shop, the crew starts on the next car, a 1990 911. There are 20 current models of the 911, all derivative of the original 1963 design. The 911's shapes changed very little over 40 years, and to this day, it's the series that's the most coveted for racing. The reason? The 911's engine sits in the back of the car, a location that increases traction and handling on curves at high speeds. This particular car has lost its classic shape in a front-end collision. But because the engine and transmission are located in the rear, they weren't damaged. The transmission and other parts are back-ordered.
Yeah, they're pulling it now. It should be ready.
The team starts on the transmission first. It's connected to the engine, so the entire unit must come out. Sam limbers up. Lorenzo joins him. The engine and transmission sit directly between the rear wheels. So the team's gotta remove the wheels and axles first.
Right now, ready. Go down.
Lorenzo hand cranks the left axle.
More. Stop.
It's tricky work.
More, a little bit more.
There's 6 bolts that must be removed, and each one's in a different position.
No, go down a little bit.
They're getting closer, but it's not fast enough for Sam.
Lawrence, let's go, bro. Give it number 13 fast.
An air conditioning pump is the last thing in their way.
You gonna go up with the car?
Yes.
It's go time.
All right, stop. Go up. All right, bring it left down like this. Front down. Go up. That's it, stop
All
it.
right.
Sam takes out the engine bolts.
Lawrence,
Yeah.
start the fourth, please. Okay, slowly go down.
Hold on. Okay. You're clear.
But the heavy lifting is far from over. Now they gotta separate the transmission from the engine.
Problemul nu apăra mea că mi problemul nu davai.
Finally, the transmission's ready for shipment.
Both of them target the guys. In the transmission, engine target up.
Sam's had enough.
That's it, done I am today. Finish.
But the orders keep coming. Joe's got another transmission that's gotta go out today.
Is that the transmission in Reno? Yeah, it's different. Oh, cool. Yeah, the guy's waiting there.
His customer's story is a common one.
Oh, the guy was driving down from Canada, and he got stuck in Reno, Nevada. So they pulled his transmission. He blew his transmission, so he needs one delivered to Reno for him to put in, for him to get home. Wow, shiny. So when are they picking this up?
I don't know. My job down.
It's an unwritten rule that the sales guys don't come into the shop. Joe is pushing his luck.
So this cooler needs to go with the tranny.
Not that much I am understand that.
If you're not careful, we're gonna put you in the box and send you away.
No, leave it alone. Loose. Oh no, stop, Ada. Stop. Enough, Ada.
Hey, Joe, actually, you coming in and do some work? Joe.
Joe's the office's newest employee, but he started off as a customer.
I had 3 Porsches. The smog here is so strict, so my catalytic converter was like clogged or whatever it was, it went past smog. So I actually drove here one day. I said, I have to check this place out, you know? It's like a kid in a candy store. So I get here and I was just hooked from there on.
What's going on, Joe?
No, nothing, just sold the hard tops.
Now, he's a top seller for shop co-owner Sarah DeCarmen.
So I was looking over sales numbers. You had a killer month last month.
Like always.
There you go. Okay. Bye, Joe.
Yeah.
Joe and his crew hit the phones.
LA Porsche.
They've got a waiting list for the 911's parts.
I have 911 front calipers.
The rear suspension assembly, it's worth $1,600. The axles, $800. Brake calipers, $400 each. The seats, $1,000 a pair. The teardown team starts on the right suspension first. At 20 kilos, it's a heavy piece. The more they take off, the harder it gets.
Got it? We got this one probably weighs a little bit more. We got the axle still connected to it.
They cut the emergency brake cable.
Okay. Emergency brake cable. All right.
And the left suspension is free. They switch to the front.
Here, just a good this one.
But there are fewer salvageable parts on this end.
This is the only thing left good in the front. Everything else is pretty much damaged. So we're just gonna salvage the caliper up here, and everything else is gonna get scrapped.
Touch it. Hold it.
Passenger side caliper.
And last but not least, they salvage the cockpit.
Number 24.
They label each part and place them on the shelf. All told, The team salvaged about $14,000 worth of components.
Finish. This car completely done.
Wire harness done?
That's it.
The 911 engine doesn't have a buyer yet. But this older motor does. A rare, no longer made, air-cooled engine.
Hey, Joe.
Hey, Tim.
How you doing?
What's going on, buddy? You to pick up that motor, huh?
Yes.
So you're putting out an 89 turbo, huh?
Yes.
1 year only.
Yes, rare.
Tim's restoring this 1 year only 89 930 Turbo. Only 639 of these cars were made, and Tim's wanted one since he was 22. Today, its engine is nearly impossible to find, and LA Dismantler is one of the only places that stocks it.
Yeah, the thing is, I got four calls on this week. On this motor, the 3.3, everyone wants it. No one else has it. So, come on, let me show you. So it's right here. I just had to bring it out. This is your beast. This is the last of the air cooled.
Unlike today's technology, this motor's cooled by air that's pulled in by a fan. It's the way Porsche engines were designed for over 3 decades. But over the years, emission standards became stricter. So Porsche stopped making air-cooled motors in 1997. What it does have in common with today's Porsche engines is the flat 6-cylinder design. The 6 cylinders lay horizontally, creating a lower center of gravity that increases traction and handling. For a classic collector like Tim, this model's the only way to go.
Wow, this looks great, man. Just what I'm looking for.
Tim's plan? Increase the engine's horsepower by nearly 50% with a custom rebuild.
So it's all good.
Wrap it up.
Clear.